You still line good again. Well done anyway.
The games are like. Alright, mate.
Well done.
Let me know when.
Tomorrow, only Wednesday.
Let me check tomorrow. I'll text you. Alright.
Yeah. Say.
I'll stay back.
No, we're definitely not there. Henry, is it you and Louis, yeah? Nice, Hales.
Yeah, Mark's back.
Yeah, nice, Louis. Yeah, good. Get on. Yeah, well done, George. Push on. Yeah,
That's too easy.
yes.
Straight on, mate.
Go deeper, go deeper. Yes, set.
Time, put on. Please.
Okay. Take it. Definitely going. Don't worry about it. Second!
Straight to the script.
Tough environment.
Time, boys. Yeah, I'll go.
Boys, stay middle. Oh, lads. One each, one each. One each. One.
Boys, just chuck it there. Chuck it there. Good. Again.
How did you go that?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh!
Worry, still you, man. Yeah, lads. So just move everywhere, follow up. Yeah, Joe, you stay on that one.
Go watch that.
Joe. Yeah, no, they're good. Louis, you stay him. Yeah, good, that hit. Nice Louis. Matt. Try and use your body there, mate. Pussy. Leave.
Come on, go to Matthew. Let's go.
Joe.
Pat it. Good. Middle. Hand right.
Come on, lads. Make sure you follow everyone. Good movement, boys. Really good. Keep talking to me,
Yeah.
Now what's up?
Yeah.
Goes in, goes good.
Come on, boys. Let's get us up for it now, yeah? Come on.
Nice, lads.
Don't worry, Louis. Come on. Work rate. Yes, down him, Joe. Yeah, Louis, he's your up. Tight. Good. Hit him on. Get the passing on it. Yeah, that's looking back. Yes. Hit him on.
I'm on the middle.
Guys, stay on your man. Stay up.
Got to it.
Boy.
Yeah, I'm on.
Yeah.
Joe, you go
Joe,
through.
Louis, he's yours then. Joe, what's left?
Hit.
Cross the kid. Paddy. Get up the kid. Yeah. Bang! Nice. I want.
Back you go, all the way.
Come on, team. Watch.
Joe, again. Play off.
Drop. Come on, man.
On your men now.
Yeah, left hand side. Feel really good, mate.
Pick one. Again.
Hold on, boys.
Again.
Tight. Yeah, Louis, he's yours. Yeah, that's yours, Henry. Hold on, mate.
Wait.
Pressure on, Matt. Pressure on. Yeah, we have that. Get back to it. Come on, lads.
Yes, please. Relax. Play.
Yup.
And again.
Yes.
That's fine.
Again. Oh, you've got it.
Corner ball.
Come on, boys. Are you in, Isaac?
They're so static, boys. It's fine. Keep doing that.
Henry, go back. Yeah. Ben, go high. You and Huh? Someone else. And you've always gone back. Two up now, boys. Come on.
Give him 3 yards distance. 3 yards.
Yeah, get it on! Nice. Short three.
Kick, central.
Move!
Cookie's back, back.
Hale, look up, man.
Okay, keep playing.
Yeah, nice cookie. Come.
Hey! Okay.
Behind. Walk up now. Hut. Play man close. Wait. What do you mean? Just fucking from the foot.
I've seen the foul. I've seen the foul. I was going to yeah, I'll keep the order. I've seen that. Right.
Run, make a run, somebody.
Hey, you two, relax, yeah?
Safety. Cookie in, mate.
Hands right.
Yeah, well done.
Cookie in, you can, mate.
He's up right now. Ewan. Stay right, Ewan, stay right.
Time. Yeah, right. Position.
Monty. Push him out, Mon.
Play.
Nice, lads.
That's good. I hate coaching.
Nice, really good. Well done, Ewan. Brilliant, mate. Sorry, bro.
No, still in.
Right shoulder.
Wait. Feet back.
Play. Play.
Centre.
Play.
You.
I like it. Play. Fall on here. Here.
You need.
Oh,
Keeper, don't go leave it, please.
Yeah. Follow you, man.
let's go.
He said leave it. Yeah, can't call leave it.
Monty.
No,
Why is that?
in the football you can't call leave it.
Really?
Even you can't, like, you know when,
Free man.
if there's player behind you, if you shout it's a foul.
Ah, fair enough.
Take care. Go back.
Gone.
Lucky kit.
Back. Pick up.
Nice Hales.
Play.
Played Hales. Get it.
It's gone.
Nice one. Yeah, you can run in there. Go on.
Play.
Come on. Nice pass. Really nice pass.
Throw in.
Stay with Beanie.
Yes.
Good tight. With him, nice pass.
Good, Ewan. Yeah, Joe. Have a go.
Save,
mate. Big on, Tigger. Okay.
Good, great Hales.
Yeah.
Who's here?
Come on, keeper. Someone back.
Push back.
Let's do it.
Nice.
Oh.
That's a good one, man.
I'm happy.
Oh, yeah. Get tight.
Nope. Hey. Relax.
He's taking it.
Just relax. Black one. Right.
No way, no way.
Shoulder, shoulder. Play on. Play on. No. Right. It's-
Me? No. On the bench.
So's your lad, mate. So's your lad. Boys, play the whistle. Don't listen to them. Come on.
Thank you.
Right.
You man, boys.
Nope.
Look at Paddy, look at Paddy.
That's yours, Lou. That's yours.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Face up.
Yeah, over.
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Yeah,
Mike.
yeah.
Hey, Monty.
Go with them hands.
Oh, you've got yours, you've got yours. No, he's sitting. Shoot.
Nearly.
Do you want to come out? Okay.
Keep a chance. Hey, remember you got once every half, yeah? Keep a chance.
Boys, man for man.
How long and it's off?
Ben, you're middle now.
Yeah.
7.
7 minutes, come on. Play the ball, come on.
No for me. If anything, I missed it. If anything, I missed it. I didn't see any foul.
Space, boys, space.
Squeeze it.
Put on pads.
Paddy.
Yeah, I got wide, Joe.
Black one.
Go higher. Now move.
3-0.
I'll check.
If you need, bro, if you need. That's our ball.
Still in.
Play.
3.
Yes.
This.
Really good.
Still in. Yeah. Green one. No. This way. Yeah, it's your ball, yeah.
Behind you. Move behind you.
Hale, stay now.
Get out.
Nice.
Good, Jen.
Now, here, now, you in.
Go ahead.
Nice.
Yes, B.
Squeeze up. Squeeze up. Ready, middle.
Play.
Boys, there should be 2 of you here.
Boys, 5 minutes.
Yes, man, Bill.
Bring on.
Here.
Oh, good enough for me.
Yes, big on me.
Lovely, B.
You need to go inside. Oh, ref.
Keep marking him, lads. Yes, on Beanie. There we go. Yes. Top ball.
Keeper one. It's coming from him. It's coming from him.
Go high, boys. It's too deep here.
Someone back.
Pick up. Lads, I've got 3 here. Watch him.
Can we go along?
Okay, it's close effort.
Get out. That's me. Go back. Feet,
head up.
Yeah, feet. Good, Matt.
Feet.
Go on.
Yes. Stay right now. Stay right.
Joe, in the middle.
Nice steal. Good, mate.
Yes. Yeah.
How many times?
Yeah, go.
Yes.
Lovely, B. That's you. Lovely, B. Lovely.
Well done,
Hey,
Fee.
boys, relax, everyone, please. I don't set no one off. I'm not saying you or them. Everyone, play on. He's fine. Play. Green one.
Keep moving.
Hold on. Good effort, mate.
Throw.
Someone swap. Someone in the middle of them.
Keep moving, boys. Come on. Good.
Had it.
Body. Hold.
Come on, boys, let's go
Three,
now.
one.
Lads,
3-1.
come on now.
Sorry, I'm just going on my plan.
Hey, no pads. Boys, right.
Keep our ball.
Stop if anyone needs, boys.
Can we pick up?
أنا في الخدمة
Keep up.
Play, boys, come on. Oh.
Good run, pads. Pads left. Mark up now, pass back, boys.
Go on, boys. Energy.
Sorry, that's bad.
Good. Stay right.
Boys, not too high.
Yes, Mark.
Try to get to me. Heavy, you go. Watch him.
It's fun.
Pass that way.
Yep.
Nice, Joe. Wait.
Throw in.
Heavy still, you man.
Play. Okay, keep playing.
Man up. Mamo.
Touch back.
Yep.
Man on.
Someone needs to offer down, don't they?
Monty. Hold on. Yeah. Boys, good team.
Boy, I'll go in.
Right.
Feet, let's go.
Yeah, middle. Front, let's go. Unlucky. Bob, play the middle, Joe. Come on. Matt's on you, mate. There I go. Keep moving for him, Go back. Once you come back, Monty, drop. On the touch. Once you middle,
Yes.
Yeah. Touch. See out.
Hey, lads. Feet, right.
It's fine, get there, Matt.
Yes.
You need Matt line.
My fucking man.
You call it a day?
Can she throw it back?
Hey, you got to respect it, I think. You got to respect it.
Sorry, mate. Excuse me, can you help her? Tell the other team to keep it down a bit. Keep it. Hold it. Come on, lads, keep it down.
Hey, that's 3-2 now, isn't it? Keep them on to move. Get in corners. Line, I'm line for you. Man on. Away.
Get into him.
Get back in there, lad.
Keep it down, lad. That's going to be a goal. Well, that's the last one. If it's scored, they have to stop the game.
Hey, coach, you draw this, isn't it?
Oi, Terrace.
Head up.
To the left, watch him. Feet. Harris, leather it.
On your men. Hey, one, two, seven. Boys, corners, keep corners.
Nice watch left.
Yeah, Matt. Keep tracking now, keep tracking. Your ball. Corners, lads. Monty, corners. Spread out. Okay.
Stay tight. Now.
Boys, spot right.
Jump. Stay right.
Yes, please.
You're red. Yes. Red referee. Yes, please. Hold them all. Good now.
Watch him. You and watch him.
No.
Go on, Kip.
Nice in there.
Go on, Kip. Hey, George. Man on.
Yeah, nice, Louis. Nice.
Play, man, move.
Keep on. You score one. Great one here, no?
Third one. Left foot as well.
I'll post it later.
Just close my eyes.
Oh yeah. Play keeper, not wasting time.
Stand up. Sorry, man. Boy, be a target, man.
Watch him, Ewan. What's the run?
Go on, thank you, whatever he sent the ball back.
It bounced off weird.
Oh!
Yeah, it bounced off the roof.
Oh!
Tight. Go feet.
Good one.
Turn it up.
Come wide kick for the second ball.
Two men free.
On your men.
Let's go 3-1, yeah?
Turn again.
Good.
Down, man. Keep heading. Go on.
Yeah, it's handball. Did you not it's handball? No.
Watch the replay.
Turn. Watch the replay on YouTube.
It's not bad.
Get that one on YouTube.
I delete it later.
Go.
Play.
Boys, who's left back? Come back.
Okay, keep playing. I give you the advantage. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't see it. I don't know whether it's just handball or not. I'm not gonna lie. No, not the last one. No, not the last one. Not the last one.
Pick up, boys, pick up.
Not the last one.
That's it. Cut!
Stay tight, man.
Anyone left? One left. What's flank?
Throw it.
Come on, boys, come on. Let's not ball again.
Boys, low and hard, Luke.
Pick up.
Rob, give it on the keeper.
Give it on the keeper. Second.
Turn.
Track. Two here, man. That's it. Nice. Wake up.
Good.
Go on.
Back in.
Same man.
Go. Nice, mate. One way.
Oh, sorry, Ryan. That's okay.
Henry.
That's okay. Pick up.
Get these off.
We okay?
We're making a change.
One team when they've got the ball. Right, lads, come on.
Come on, turn.
Shot, lads. Up on, mate, up back. Okay, I'm ref.
No. No.
That is our ball.
No. No, it's not. It's not. No.
Even he's laughing at you.
Hey, laughing on me?
Yeah, he is.
He's offside.
He's smiling at me.
He's offside because he knows offside. 40.
Good. Hand him. Hand him. Hand him. Take back. Good effort. Good effort. Man on, feet. Man on. Line. Go, line.
Yes. Hey, Felix. Hey, just relax, please. I don't set no one up.
I've not mowed once today. I've not mowed once today, which is unbelievable for me.
Hit it!
Hey, yo, one more mistake.
Someone say, hey, let's go. One's in the kit, one of you on each corner.
Yeah, like keeper.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's a stinker. Penny line.
Skip for you.
Yes, yes!
Hey,
It's a yellow. Shouting myself.
it doesn't matter, but not allowed. Keeper ball.
Yeah. Yeah, one tick. You want to go right foot, so it's Nick. Yes. Leave it.
Black ball.
Give it in the middle. Nice one. Use that.
Bang!
Yes. That's fine. Oh, look, we're back. We're going to get stronger than that.
Yeah, to this side.
Give it.
Play smart.
Still there.
Make him play it.
Yes, it's on. Set it, Paddy. There. Be strong.
Bang! And
You got him. Louis, stay on him.
Boys, 10 minutes left.
Hales, you got a man.
Monty.
Go hard. Bang. Kick it.
Back up.
John's on red. Monkey's on red.
Nice kid. One right, kid. One right.
Okay, you and go with him.
Play.
Red.
You can't swear and get free kick.
No more.
John.
No more.
Go at you. We good?
Yeah.
Give it 10.
Can't play now.
Give it 10.
Play.
Let's go.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, foot.
Yeah. Right, use your hands.
Yes! Well done. Let me know, boys.
Someone else go. Someone come and go for Matt for a bit.
They need back. Anyone?
Come on then. 10 minutes left. Come on. Can we go back? Follow. Righty. Follow. Well done, man on. Yeah. Oh, play. Everything.
Still in.
Man on, let's go. Shot. Oh, sorry, you. Go ahead. If you need, mate, if you need.
Right, Pat.
Right.
Your man, Ewan.
Play. It's not a shoulder back. It's a shoulder back.
Over there when you think
No, Sean. No, come on. Come on. Okay, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Ah.
Man on, get it down, get it down.
Careful.
Sorry. Just let 10 off the ball, just let 10 off the ball. Come.
Play. Keeper, play. I've seen that, just give us one.
Let's go.
Yeah, Monty.
Come on. Easy.
Right now.
Yes, 10 off
Away!
No one's here. Time, lads,
Hey, play. Yeah, he got 10 seconds, already done, play. Can't fight. It's foul.
Right, move for him.
It's a foul, Okay.
Get now.
Hey,
Sorry.
you know it's 2 minutes out,
You know what? I'll tell you what. I'll stop swearing if you give us a foul, yeah?
so you're not gonna get that.
Too deep, Joe.
No thanks, keep playing. Done.
Thank you.
Stop it.
Let's drop one pad. We're gonna need you.
It's a foul, it's 3 yards distance, you know that. Keep distance. More. Yeah, you're fine. Corner ball.
Get goal side pass. How long left? Pick up, Joe.
6.
6 left, come on. 10 again. How's he still on?
Yeah, 6 minutes left. Play, keep up. Black one. Fine.
On the edge.
It's fine. Play.
No. Press. Yeah, go. Okay, Paddy. Look here. Come on.
Wait, give him time.
That's fine.
Right, still have to make sure he's on.
Here's headbands.
Pick up.
Play. Yeah, play, keep up.
Turn, man. Come on, sit. Nice, Ben.
No shot.
Good.
Come on!
Black one.
Good. Nice work.
Play.
Luke. Get there, mate. Side.
Please.
Yeah, Mambo. On top.
Corner ball.
Somebody one.
Green one.
Red.
3 yards distance, please. Keep up ball.
Yeah, good get it.
No thanks.
Here. Wheels, Kev.
Okay, that's a good one.
Kev, back. Kev.
keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. It was 50-50, but I still give you a chance to shoot. Keep playing. Play, keep up.
24! Come on!
Good feet.
Peaks.
Outside the box, outside the box.
I said I can't believe it. Come on, boy.
Off for free. Off for free.
Keep it low. Ref. Where's he going there?
Walk on now. Talk. That's you.
Sorry.
Pop it back in. Oh, wait. Henry, lucky Henry.
Keep playing, keep playing. Hey, I'll keep you to shoot. Relax, I get you. No, it's not a foul.
It's a foul. It's about 6 foot.
Right. Go on. Hey. Table.
Good to see you.
Thank you. Finish.
Oh, sorry, man.
Less than a minute.
Come on. So nice. Come on.
Finish. I mean, like. It's finished. Yeah. Last one, yeah?
Hey, come on.
That's a quick 2 minutes off that. Very quick 2 minutes off that. Hook in. And he knows it.
Hey.
Yeah, 10 again. Play as bad as me. His knees, bro.